Hello everyone, this is your virtual travel friend Vikram Aditya, and I welcome you once again to another exciting episode of my Vietnam series. In my first video on Hanoi, Vietnam, I showed you a glimpse of the iconic Hoan Kiem Lake. In today's episode, I'll take you on a tour of this famous lake and its surrounding area. It's a freshwater lake located in the center of the city. Also known as Sword Lake, there is an interesting history of this lake. It is said that in the 15th century, the Emperor of Vietnam, Le Loi, got a magical sword at this lake from the Dragon King to defeat the Chinese invaders. After the successful battle, when the king returned to this lake, a giant turtle appeared from the lake to take the sword and return back to the water after collecting the sword. Since then, the lake is called Hoan Kiem Lake, which means Lake of the Returned Sword. After this event, a lot of turtles started flocking around this lake, and in particular, one big turtle started living here. She was believed to be the incarnation of the mythical turtle and lived for a long period of time. The park around the lake is very popular among the locals and visitors who come here to exercise and also to spend a peaceful quality time gazing the calm water of the lake. Let's take a small tour of this area. It is said that the lake has some special characteristics and the color of its water keeps changing during the day. In the middle of the lake, there is a small island called the Jade Island, which has a famous temple called Goksun Temple. Let's look at the surrounding areas around the lake. The most famous one is Highland Coffee Shop, which is just across the road. Highland is a famous coffee brand of Vietnam and has a chain of cafes, but this one in particular is very popular as it provides a stunning view of the Hoan Kiem Lake. I highly recommend you to visit this coffee shop if you are visiting Hanoi, as it provides a perfect blend of tranquility of Hoan Kiem Lake and the noisy traffic of Hanoi visible from here. I hope you enjoyed the short tour of this nice location near the old quarter of Hanoi. See you soon in another episode of some exciting and new location. Till then, be safe, be happy and enjoy life. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video.